Our next topic is nervous system, chapter 12, class 10 biology, coordination and control. What is nervous system? A system which consists of neurons is called nervous system. Nervous system has its functional and structural unit neurons. Neurons are functional and structural units of nervous system. They make nervous system. And the types of nervous system depending upon the positions of neurons are two: central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system consists of the neurons which are in center, and peripheral nervous system consists of the neurons which are in the side of body. Because central nervous system consists of the neurons which are present in the center of the body, and the neurons which are present in the center of body are brain and spinal cord. So central nervous system consists of brain and spinal cord. Because brain and spinal cord are made up of neurons, so we may say that the neurons which are present in center are called central nervous system. Now about peripheral nervous system. The word peripheral means with anything which is in this side, related to the sides. Peripheral nervous system consists of the neurons in the right and left sides of the body. The neurons which leave central nervous system or which enter central nervous system make peripheral nervous system. Because neurons are present in both types of nervous system, it is necessary for us to know in detail about the neurons. What are neurons? What is their structure, etc. Neurons are also called nerve cells. Neurons, along with some associated supporting cells called neuroglial cells, are present in all over the nervous system, whether it is central nervous system or peripheral nervous system. The structure of a single neuron is like this. These projections are called dendrites, and this central region is nucleus. Both the dendrites and nucleus collectively are called cell body. This long tube-like fiber which is attached to the neurons away from cell body, it is called axon or axon. The function of dendrites is to receive the stimulus and send it to the nucleus. It receives Dendrites, which are hair-like structures. These projections of neuron catch or receive the stimulus and send this stimulus to the inner nucleus. The function of the nucleus is to process the stimulus and modify the stimulus. Modify the stimulus means it changes the nature of the stimulus. Also, the function of nucleus is to send this modified signal or stimulus towards the axon. Axon takes this stimulus away from the cell body towards another neuron, and the axon is covered by a sheath of myelin, which is called myelin sheath. Around the axon there is a protective covering which prevents the axon from electrical shock or from pressure. This protective covering around the axon, called myelin sheath, is produced by specialized cells which are present around the axon. These specialized cells are called Schwann cells. These cells produce myelin sheath. You see here these areas, this and this. Here there is no myelin sheath. These areas of no myelin sheath are called nodes of Ranvier. Usually the area of the axon which is covered by myelin sheath is well protected, but the speed of the nerve impulse or electrochemical signal is slow at myelin sheath. So these areas where no myelin sheath is present at regular intervals mean nodes of Ranvier let the nerve impulse to be conducted at a faster rate. Usually nerve impulse jumps from here one node to another and then from this node to this node. This jumping nerve impulse is called saltatory nerve impulse. It is called saltatory nerve impulse because this nerve impulse jumps from one axon node of Ranvier to the other node of Ranvier. It increases the speed of the conduction of nerve impulse. Now we will discuss the types of neurons. Types of neurons are three. There are three types of neurons: sensory neurons, interneurons, and motor neurons. Sensory neurons are the neurons which are present in receptors, and the function of sensory neurons is to receive the stimulus and send it to the central nervous system, means interneurons. Sensory neurons consist of only one dendrite and only one axon. Because they receive the stimulus from one direction and send it to the one direction, that is why sensory neurons consist of one dendrite and one axon. Interneurons are the neurons which are present between sensory neurons and motor neurons. Or in other words, interneurons are present in the coordinators. Means they are present in the brain and spinal cord. Interneurons consist of many dendrites and many axons. Because interneurons receive sensory information from more than one part of the body and they regulate the commands or orders towards more than one parts of the body. That is why they consist of many dendrites and many axons. Motor neurons are the neurons which take the orders from interneurons towards effectors where some response is shown. Means motor neurons take the nerve impulse from interneurons towards effectors. Motor neurons consist of many dendrites but one axon because they take the orders from more than one centers of the brain and convey it to just one part, just one effector. In the body of human being there are billions of the neurons, and even in the brain there are billions of the neurons. These too much neurons get fit into very small area, into very small piece of the body, only and only because of some specific compact mechanism. Usually neurons are grouped, or parts of the neurons are grouped into some specific structures which are nerves and ganglia. When the axons of many neurons combine together to be fitted in a small place, this grouping of the axons of neurons are called nerves. The groups of axons of many neurons are called nerves. Usually the nerves are protected by a lipid layer so that there will be no damage and a faster conduction of the nerve impulse. Ganglia are a collection or a groups of dendrites and nucleus, or in simple word you may use one single word, of cell bodies of many neurons. The groups of the cell bodies of many neurons are called ganglia, and these groups are made for neurons to get fit into small place, and the groups of the axons of neurons, many neurons, are called nerves. Now there are types of nerves depending upon the type of the neurons whose axons are being grouped into a particular type of nerve. Depending upon the axons of the particular neurons, there are three types of the nerves. Sensory nerves are the nerves which consist of the axons of sensory neurons. Motor nerves are the nerves which consist of axons of motor neurons. Now the third type being mixed nerves. Mixed nerve consists of the axons of sensory neurons and motor neurons. These consist of the axons of sensory and motor neurons. You must have to differentiate between nerves and nerve cells. Nerves means a collection of or a group of axons only, whereas nerve cell means neuron, means a structure consisting of three basic parts: dendrites, nucleus and axon. This is a complete cell and this is a grouping of a part of cell.